Don't stop, turn off the lights. Nauseous when I...
Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Just a Queen Wells, and those of you who are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell below so you will know every time that I upload a video. Those of you who are coming back, girl, welcome back. I certainly appreciate you. We are almost at 30,000 subscribers. I will be giving a giveaway. Check my Instagram for the giveaway directions. So if you want to see my cozy, comfy, everyday outfits, just keep on watching. Okay, so today I got a few things from AliExpress, and I just thought they were really nice, so I am going to go ahead and share them with you. I am actually wearing one of the outfits. So I got this t-shirt right here, and it kind of says New York on it, and it has it going across, as you can see. And I just love this sweatshirt, and I'm not a sweatshirt girl, but yeah, I like these. And you know, all the rage are these kind of bell sweatpants. Well, I like these much better than I do the ones that have the elastic at the bottom, because I'm always tempted to pull up one leg. And you remember back in the day when we was doing that. This ain't nothing new. This is just old. That's wearing your pants old school. One leg pulled up. So anyway, I like these much better, and I paired them today with my Union Bay boots. And I like these boots. They are white. They're getting dirty, so I'm gonna have to find a way to clean them. So yeah, I like this. I will put the information over here about this shirt, about these pants. I actually got these pants from Kohl's. They do have a lot of variety, but I'm gonna tell you, girl, get them off of Amazon. Kohl's is a little damn expensive, like $45 for these freaking pants. I should have ordered them off of Amazon. I saw some for like $25. May not have been out of this like sweat material, but they were comparable to these. I would have definitely purchased those. They probably a little more lightweight, and girl be going through the hot flash sometimes. So whew, you know, all this sweat stuff. They only work in Arizona in the winter time. You can't be wearing this in summertime. That is not cute. So I also thought about pairing this outfit with my Nike Chunky Monkeys, which I thought was really cute. It has some of the colors at the bottom of them. I also was looking online for some Nike greens, but they were like all sold out. The Airs were all sold out, but this would have gone also with this outfit. If I was trying to be a little bit more casual, I would have put these on right here. But yeah, this is the outfit. The next little thing, and also with this sweatshirt, I could have paired it with a pair of shorts. And I definitely would have put those tennis shoes on with this white pair of shorts, which I think was really cute, would go with this vibe as well. So I don't know, I might take a picture with these shorts on for you, let you know how they look. The next little thing I got, which I thought was kind of cute. Let me back this camera. Okay, so the next item I got off of AliExpress, which I thought was kind of cute. Guys, excuse this little mic, my cordless mic. I did not charge it, so yeah, you gotta go with what you got. So I got this little Fendi inspired jumpsuit. I'm gonna have to try it on, and let me tell you, girl, you have to get into this jumpsuit from the top. I'm gonna have to show y'all. But it's cute. It kind of opens up on the back and on the side. I'm not sure that I am going to be able to pull this off. I don't know if it's going to be my vibe, but I'm going to try it on so you guys can see it. I don't know how I got it, how I took the string on it, which might be wrong, so I might have to redo it. But I was thinking about wearing this, and then I was going to go ahead and pair it with my Fendi boots. I thought that would be really, really cute. And of course, if I want to go ahead and keep this all about Fendi, I'll go ahead and use my little Fendi bag with it as well. This is of course a dupe, girl, because I am not paying $1,500-$2,500 for a damn bag. Maybe shoes, but not a bag. So yeah, I think this will be cute, even though they are not the same color. Because this of course is not Fendi. It's kind of washed out, but I'm going to see when I put it on what it looks like. But I will put the information and the cost right down here so you can see it. And then this one I absolutely love, guys. I got this little jumpsuit. Now let me tell you, I tried this on because I was just excited about getting it. You know, I like oversized things. This jumpsuit is just really, really cute. It has my pockets in the front, and it's just color blocked for you. It's just cute. It's off the shirt, you know, a tube type outfit, but you can wear these with some beautiful, nice heels and a bag. So the way I would pair this, of course, is with this, and then I'll go ahead and pair it with this little cork bag that I got. It's got a little bit of that blue and that tan in it, which I think it would look super cute. Even if I wore it with the chain, I thought it would be certainly a nice little vibe. And right now here in Arizona is the weather for this, so I definitely could put this on. Now, ladies, I would go ahead and put these shoes on with this. Now, these are pink, but they do have the cork. These are Jessica Simpson's. I just thought this pink would be a nice, pretty pop of color. I love these shoes. They are super comfortable, even though they go over my toe, and I'm not a fan of that, but these shoes are really, 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 really comfortable. So I definitely would go with this shoe. And wait a minute. I got hats off of AliExpress. And let me just put this down for a quick second. So I got these hats. I saw them on there, and you know, hats can cost you, it could be a hit or miss. But I just didn't want to pay a lot of money for them because I'm not really a hat person. So I'm looking over there because I'm looking in the freaking mirror. Yeah, so let me just, I'm looking at, Lord, I'm gonna tell you, these freaking nails, girl, can't do nothing with these damn things. Anyway, let's stay on point. So I ordered these hats, and I just thought they were really cute. Now, mind you, I probably would put a band around this, maybe go to the Hobby Lobby store and put a nice little leather band around it, or I could actually get ribbon and put a nice little coordinated ribbon around it. But what I saw, and I actually got both these little hats, and you know, I have a similar one that color, but I always get my hats a little bit bigger because, girl, you know, I got a big head, and with a hairpiece on, it's a whole lot. But I just thought this would just be a cute little vibe with this outfit. Girl, I just would be feeling that. And this is how the hat fits. And like I said, I always get my hats in a bigger size because I'm always cocking them, and I want them to fit my head nice and perfect. So that's the way this one looks. And this is more so, you know, bigger than my head, but yeah, girl, I think it looks cute. Yes, I'm feeling it. I'm all in. And then this is, of course, the tan one, and you know I have one similar to this one, but this is the tan one. Oh, girl. So this is what the tan one looks like, and I have one like this. This one is a little bit lighter, but this would even go with this outfit because of the bag, of course, but I'm just feeling the blue, so I definitely probably would wear the blue with this. But I'm absolutely loving these hats, and I got dogs, so I am not going to put that back down there. But yeah, so the hat's working for me. So the next little things I got, oh, let me show you this. So I got this from AliExpress too. It's a watch. I actually got 2 of them. It's just really cute. I've got a and it works. Believe it or not, it works. I just have to go ahead and get it down to my size. Not this one, of course, because I have one I've taken out already, but it's a really cute little blinged up watch. I mean, can you see that? That's really, really cute. Yeah, so I like this watch. Like I said, I already have one like it. It does work. You know, sometimes you get watches off of AliExpress and those damn things don't work, but this one does, and it hasn't turned any colors since I've been wearing it, so I'm absolutely loving that. And let's see, the next little thing I got, of course, is not new. I got these little from my sister's closet. I just thought this was a really cute skirt. It has like a metallic gray little embellishment at the bottom. It just was really, really kind of cute, and you know, you can put this on with tennis shoes, or you could put this on with a nice pair of heels or sandals. And the way I wanted to pair this was I wanted to go ahead and wear this sweater with it. Now I know you're saying, girl, that sweater's super long. Well, that's the effect I wanted. I want to be able to put the sweater on and maybe put a belt on with it, and to go along with the sweater, I thought my Fendi bag would look perfect, and then the shoes I would go ahead and pair with these are my little jelly shoes, and these are from Chinese Laundry, and I got these from DSW, which I'm not sure they will have them at DSW anymore, but they definitely would have them at Chinese Laundry. These are just cute shoes, plain. They've got a nice low heel to them, and I thought they would be perfect with this little outfit. And then also a little outfit I put together is this one right here, and I got this skirt also from my sister's closet. Now I gotta see if I still get in this damn thing, but I just thought this was really cute. I loved how it's nice and stiff, so it's going to actually kind of pop out when I put it on. So I just thought it just was a cute vibe. It also has a nice little waist to it. It gives a little bit of leg, as you can see, not much, but it does. And what I thought about wearing this little outfit is I have this little sweater right here. Now I know y'all gonna say that's grandma and blah blah blah, but it's a cute freaking sweater. I just thought they're close in color, but they don't quite match. The sweater has a kind of metallic feel to it or look to it. Then it has this little beading here. If you don't like the beading, I would just take it off. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But this is a perfect church outfit, and what I was thinking was I would just go ahead and pair this little outfit here with these shoes right here. So I thought these shoes were close to the color, but not to show it as matchy-matchy, and it has this little brown bow embellishment on the top of it. So I thought it would just give me a nice cute vibe to it. So yeah, that's how I would pair this up. Now at my sister's closet, I believe all their skirts are like $5. Their shirts and sweaters, I got this sweater from, I think, Target. I don't know if Target are still going to have sweaters because they're coming out with their spring. It's just here, it's a hit or miss on whether or not you can wear a sweater. In the morning, girl, you good to go. when it gets about noon, oh, you want to peel that damn thing off. But I just thought this was really cute, kind of grown people items. And then the last item I got is this little sweater dress. Now, I love this sweater dress. It's just really, really cute. It comes off the shoulders. I love the color blocking of it. It's just really nice. You could actually take this and put it with some nice little sandals. You could even put it with some nice little chunky boots if you want to. Me, of course, I was thinking about going ahead and pairing it with my little shoes from EXO. They are clear and they have a little metallic spike on the front of them. So I just thought it would go perfect with this dress, kind of laid back but put together, kind of the grown-up look. And then the bag that I would wear with this and with this outfit that I have on is this little bag right here. So this is just a little telephone bag. You're not going to put a lot in here. You'll get your phone in here, and if you open it up, it has some little card slots on both sides, so you could put your cards in here. But I would wear this low and across the chest. So yeah, and it does have where you can actually hold this if you want to, but of course that's how I would wear it, and I thought it would look super cute with this little dress, even though the dress doesn't have a lot of white in it. Girl, it's white. And that, oh no, I got one more thing, so let me just show you this, and I'll put pictures of all these items in there. Girl, I'm sorry, I keep looking at the damn monitor, but I got these also. You know, I am becoming a fan of press-on nails, so AliExpress has a lot of press-on nails. So what I have done is I actually got these, and these are the ones that you can use to put the gel on with. You press the gel on with it, and then of course you pop these off of there. And then I also got these little African hats right here. I just thought they were cute. I got it in brown and also got it in black and white. I just thought, you know, if my hair is not done, or I don't feel like doing anything to it, or, you know, that's, you got a hair pieces coming off, these are really cute. It's not tight on my head. You can wear it up front. You can wear the knot in the back. So they had a lot of these on there, which I really liked. And then I also got some nails. So I got these little nails right here. Now I'm not sure how these are going to hold up, because I can tell you right now they feel kind of cheap, but I just thought they were cute, so I picked these up. Now I normally don't get this kind because I'm just not confident they would last long, but hell, they last for a day. You're doing good. But I always get these, and this is the way this one looks here. And then I also got this blue right here. So I hope you can see that. Yeah, I got that blue. So I believe that is it. That is all I got. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I certainly appreciate it. And I got an oldie but goodie coming back up, so make sure you check out my next video. Make sure you check out the video. I'll link them up here. They are some great items that you definitely want to purchase. You can use my discount code. All of the information for this haul will be down below, so go check out the AliExpress and My Sister's Closet site, and maybe you will get your perfect cozy outfits. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.